Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and it is about 24 hours until Eternity Shore will come out of the water. I've come here today to do just a couple quick things, so this will be probably a pretty quick video. I'm going to change the oil from the generator. We will winterize the generator when it goes on the hard over there. Okay, so I may have forgot to say, the other thing I needed to do was fill up the fuel tanks with fuel. So I just finished putting marine stabilizer in, and then came over to the fuel dock. She had me put it on this dock right here, so that tomorrow, it's just a straight shot. That's where I'm headed tomorrow, right over there. She looks sad to me. Doesn't she look sad to you? I'm gonna go grab lunch because this took a little longer than I thought. So yeah, this is the same day. All that fog burned off. I mean, it's beautiful out. All right, let's get back to work on changing the oil and the filter of the generator. First, I'm gonna turn the generator on for a little bit to get the oil a little bit warm so it'll come out easier. So for this job, I just need 10W30. This is the engine oil that requires. I need a little more than 2 quarts, but I have 3 quarts with me here. So I need the little baby. This is the oil filter, which is the smallest little thing I've seen. And because I don't have an oil wrench that was that small, I bought an oil filter wrench to go with it. And we'll take our empty bucket of antifreeze, and we'll drain the oil into there. The seacock is open. I just have to start it. Oh, I think the start battery needs to be on. All right, I turned the starter batteries off by accident, so now they're back on. This should be turning on. Now, one of the reasons why it's hard to turn on is it gets cold. There are glow plugs in this generator that they should have hooked up a remote to fire up the plugs. They would actually light up and make starting easier, but there's no remote. There's no way to actually start those plugs. So I gotta keep hitting start until it comes on. Here we go. Okay. I do not know what that means. The battery system is blinking. Huh. I don't know what that means. I'll try again. All right, there it goes. This right here is the oil filter for the generator, and there is a drain. This is the drain, and it's got a nice hose. This hose right here. So take that puppy off and we'll drain it to start with. How do you get that off? There it comes. Now, will this come out or not? So, I'm going to take the top off. Is that coming out? It is, but not very quickly. Alright, just took the lid off. Maybe that'll release some pressure. Okay, so I couldn't really even see if there was still oil coming out, so I cut this guy in half, and I'm letting it continue to drain down there so I can see when it actually slows and stops. All right, as that just slows to a drip, we will now change the oil filter. You kind of wonder how come it's so hard to get off. Here's the thing, it's grabbing it and it's puncturing it. All right, so this thing is not coming off. It's not coming off. So I'm gonna try one more time. It looks like it's almost painted on practically. This is a brand new generator. I don't know if they put oil on it or not, but this is starting to bend. And I just saw on YouTube that you could take a screwdriver and pound it in and then turn the screwdriver. I hope that works, because this is ugly. All right. All right, it's all the way to the other side. Just about get that drip. Here it goes. Huh. Could you believe it's not coming out? Might be turning. Might be turning. It's moving, but just slightly. I mean, it obviously has moved a little bit. It just, I've never seen anything like this. I mean, that is just insane. All right. Oh my gosh, there it is. Can you believe that? I want your comments about that puppy. That was insane. Ah! Figures. Look at this. Let's see. I mean, what the flip? It looks, I don't know if it got painted or what. Holy cow, that was a disaster. Here's the new one. You think we should put a little oil on that? Oh my gosh. All right, so let me go back down and hopefully this will be without further incident. Okay. Nah, that's good. How about we add some oil to this puppy? Alright, put 2 quarts in. We're letting it sit. Put the dipstick back in and see where we are. We're gonna run it and then we'll check it again. Alright, let's start it up. I think I got a good read this time. In fact, I know I did. All right, time to clean up. So, fill the fuel tanks, check. Put fuel stabilizer in, check. Move the boat over here. Tomorrow it's gonna go in the sling, check. Change the oil and the oil filter, check. and I stink. Jack. All right, all ready for tomorrow. This is Jeff with Eternity Shore. Ciao for now.